Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by Amul में आप सबका स्वागत है. Delhi, are you ready? आज के इस दंगल में दो टीमें आमने सामने. देवी और सज्जनों, जयपुर निंजास और दिल्ली सुल्तान. और अब का मुकाबला है 97 किलोग्राम यानी 97 केजी पुरुषों का मुकाबला. दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के सत्यव्रत कादियान. Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by Amul. अब आ रहे हैं जयपुर निंजास की ओर से जॉर्जिया मूल के एलिजबार ओरिकाड्से.
The big boys will start off proceedings on day 5. It's Satyavrat Kadian of the Delhi Sultans who steps into the ring in the men's 97 kg category. The 23-year-old, remember, is also the fiancé of India's only female Olympic medal winner Sakshi Malik. Elizabeth Orikadze, the captain of Jaipur Ninjas, was taken to the ring as well. The 27-year-old. Ashok Kumar is the referee for this bout. So a tough contest for Satyavrat Kadian up front as he goes up against Elizabeth Orikadze. In the commentary box, I'm Raman Banot. A very warm welcome to Ajay Mehra.
Good evening, Raman. Good evening, all the viewers. Well, this should be very interesting. But you had rightly mentioned, Raman, that Elizabeth is a very seasoned campaigner. Remember, in the first tie, he won his bout very handsomely, 14-0. And that was against Kishan Kumar. So he's the man in form. The confidence will be behind him. It's all in readiness out here. Satyavrat at the moment just looking a bit defensive. Just a start at the moment. And the category is blocked so far. The men's 65 kgs and the women's 53.
So big block there that came through from Jaipur Ninjas because they've blocked Bajrang Punia in that men's 65 kg category. A big block and a real setback this for the Delhi side. Elizabeth, remember, the interesting part about Elizabeth was he talked about him beating Krishan Kumar. Remember, that was a fantastic showing by the team as well. 5-2, they were victorious against Punjab.
Absolutely, and it's a new team. They're participating for the first time in this Pro Wrestling Season 2. Last year, they weren't there, so a great start for them. They gelled very well, and that's a good win. 5-2 is just about, a close affair. 4-3, 5-2 is a very comprehensive win. And Elizabeth, the captain, led from the front. A bit of referral here.
Yes, and it's been thrown in by Satyavrat's corner. The red corner is where we've seen that throw coming from. So Delhi just asking for a quick referral here.
Yeah, also the coaches just having a word with Satyavrat. But I think Elizabeth is a very tough opponent. He's got all the experience behind him. Remember, he came 5th in the Rio Olympics in 2016, just about 5 months back.
And that's one of the reasons why Sakshi and the Delhi camp are just looking a little worried. So too are the supporters of Satyavrat Kadian.
But Raman, you mentioned about Bajrang Punia. Well, he had to face Rahul Maan, and that should have been some contest.
Brijbhushan Charan Singh Ji looking on, the President of the Wrestling Federation of India. The crowd is coming to watch good action. Remember, Delhi are contesting for the first time this season. This is the first tie that they're involved in. Jaipur have already registered a win in the tie against Punjab, so good start. Mr. Kartikeya Sharma looking on.
Yeah, Sakshi Malik, well, she wants things to go on. As you mentioned, Satyavrat Kadian is the fiancée of Sakshi Malik, and in a few months' time they'll get married. But this is a Delhi squad. You're mentioning about them. The Delhi Sultans, Satyavrat, Praveen, David, Bajrang Punia was blocked today.
And the other weight category blocked, the women's 53 kg category. There's Devyanshi, who features in that weight category. Remember, in place of Sangeeta Fogart, who didn't make the cut. So Devyanshi Tyagi, a young 23-year-old grappler, being blocked by Sakshi. That's what she did at the toss. Bajrang, who's sitting to her left, would be very disappointed because he really wanted an outing today.
And mentioning about Jaipur Ninjas, they performed very well in the first outing. Elizabeth Odekadze, the captain, Ritu Fogart, Jacob, then Jenny Franson. She was with us a few days back in the commentator box. Vinod Kumar, Om Prakash, Pooja Dhanda. And they look to be a very, very competitive unit. Very strong unit, Jaipur Ninjas. And the big factor is, Raman, they have started off with a bang.
Ritu Fogart. A lot of people would be waiting to see her bout. That's going to be today. The second bout. Remember, there's a slight hold-up in the action. Geeta Fogart looking on. Remember, her younger sister is going to be in action today, Ritu Fogart. And Ritu, remember, had a huge price put on her head. 36 lakhs is what she went for in the auction of the grapplers.
Yeah, you know, this is the best thing about the Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by Amul, that these big names, these international stars, Geeta Fogart out there, looking totally glued, looking in the middle. A lot of people have turned up. A lot of color, a lot of big stars. The attraction is there. This is what this league is all about. This is a great platform for all the youngsters participating.
Now, the slight hold-up that's happened in place because the mat seems to be a little slippery. And that's the reason why you can actually see that there's work in progress just to ensure probably a little extra wax on the mat when it was cleaned before the start of bouts today.
Raman, I also noticed Alisbar just making a point to this bout commenced. He just made a point, and you're very right. And that's the reason you see that sweeping taking place at the moment.
Well,
We want to ensure that everything is in proper shape.
And that's why a change of shoes as well for Satyavrat Kadian. Probably wants more grip on this kind of a mat surface that's looked a little slippery. In fact, it seemed to be the case even when I went out for the toss. Elizabeth wasn't most comfortable. It's constantly signaling probably this surface might just be a little slippery, too slippery for the grapplers' liking.
Yeah, absolutely. And the big factor is you don't want to risk. And now this is the bout schedule. The first bout taking place. The men's 97 categories. Kevin Kadian versus Elizabeth. There is going to be Maria Stadnik versus Ritu Fogart. You were just mentioning this is going to be a very important bout. Then Praveen Rana versus Jacob.
And then the big bout, the second last bout of the day, Sakshi Malik. For the first time, we're going to see her in action in a competitive environment after having won the Olympic bronze.
Raman, I've got to ask you, have they faced each other, Sakshi Malik and Pooja Dhanda? You know, I can't recall, but probably you might have an idea.
Well, what Sakshi said was she was preparing really hard for this bout and preparing hard for PWL.
And after Rio, this is going to be her first bout.
That's exactly what was just saying a while ago. So she's prepared hard for it. Back to competitive wrestling. I said there are a lot of changes that have happened in your life. She said, for the moment, I just want to focus on wrestling.
But at the moment, it's all started, and Elizabeth trying for that single leg tackle. He was always down. Couldn't get that grip he wanted. Remember, this is the heavyweight category, 97 kg. So you won't see much swiftness, but still Elizabeth is very, very quick. That's exactly what he showed in his first tie, in his first bout of the season.
Oh yes, 14-0 against Krishan Kumar. Well, he wasn't the quickest, but he was quick indeed. Salil tweeting, look at that, coordinated Bhangra goes all wrong on live TV. That was Harbhajan Singh doing the Bhangra with him yesterday, remember?
And I tell you, Salil's got the best seat in the house. He's very near the mat. I wish I was there.
I tell you what, the odd hard throw and someone could just land in his lap.
You're right. But at the moment, I think Satyavrat, coming back to the bout, is doing a good job. Pushed over. And that should be 1 point. Opening his account here, Elizabeth does well. Showing that power, showing that strength he's got in the upper body. So he opens his account. And Jaipur as well, opening the account with that point.
Well, this just might be a little tough. Slightly slippery surface was what both grapplers were talking about before the start of the bout. But Elizabeth's got a lot more international experience. Remember, a bronze in the 2016 European Championships, a silver at the European Games in 2015 for Elizabeth.
You know, I just feel once again he's pushed out. Will be another point here for Elizabeth. You rightly mentioned Sakshi looking a bit worried, bit tense as well. I just feel he's got to stay a bit low and attack more. Satyavrat hasn't really got that tackle, the single leg tackle he wants. Now he's trying to do that.
And Elizabeth is using the upper body strength. He's a lot more powerful with the upper body push. So he's just content trying to push Satyavrat Kadian out of the safety zone, out of the outer circle to score 1 point. That's how he's managed to garner the 2 points that he's got.
But what experience for Satyavrat. You know, he's done well at the national level. You know, playing against Elizabeth is never easy. We were mentioning this earlier. He's a seasoned campaigner. Not much time left. Just a few seconds to go now. And Jaipur will be leading. Yes, that's the end of round one. Elizabeth, the captain, he started off pretty well. He started off with those two very important points. And a good start is always important, imperative for any wrestler. So leading 2-0 at end of round one.
First bout of the day on day 5 is turning out to be an interesting one. Elizabeth Odikadze leading 2 points to nothing against Satyavrat Kadian in the men's 97 kilogram category. Sakshi Malik looking just a tad worried. Her fiancé Satyavrat trailing by 2 points. This is the opening bout. Delhi up against Jaipur. And Jaipur, remember, have already won a tie that they had earlier, which they contested against Punjab. For Delhi, it's their first outing in PWL Season 2.
The second round has commenced now, and remember, Delhi Sultans are playing for the first time. Jaipur Ninjas, as rightly mentioned, Raman, they've already won. And going for their single leg tackle, getting that hold as well, Satyavrat. Still not able to manage points here. No signal from the referee, but Elizabeth coming back very strongly, getting a couple of points. His lead swells to 4 now.
Now he's looking to flip Satyavrat over. Yes, he's going to pick up 2 more points there for that flip. So the lead is now 6-0. Another flip. So 2 more. And now they've gone outside the outer circle on the mat, the safety zone. That's the reason why the referee asking both grapplers to get back to the center of the mat, the neutral position, to restart action.
Remember, if you get a lead of 15 and your opponent doesn't have any point, then you win the contest, win the bout. And Elizabeth has started very strongly. You know, it was worth seeing Raman, the way he bounced back. I thought he was in a very difficult situation, but the way he maneuvered back, the alacrity he showed, the suppleness he showed was really creditable for Elizabeth.
Yes, but Satyavrat started off aggressively. The second round, he realized that he had to go for points. Remember, he's got a silver medal to his credit at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow 2014, Satyavrat Kadian. So he does have international experience. He got a gold at the Commonwealth Championships in Singapore in 2016 as well. He regularly won the national championships 4 years on the trot.
Yes, also he participated in the Pro Wrestling League in season 1, and he was playing for the UP Warriors. But now he's changed his team. He's playing for the Delhi Sultans. But really, a great start as far as this contest goes for Elizabeth. Looks to be a man on a mission. He's got the experience behind him. Got a 2-point lead in the first round. Now he's got a very handsome lead.
Yes, he scored 6 points in this second round in just the first minute and a half, or just over. So an overall lead of 8 points, and that's quite a bit for Satyavrat Kadian to make up. Just about a minute left in this second round now. And Elizabeth can hold back. He can now be a little more defensive.
You're very right, and that's exactly what he's doing. You can see he's moving back. He wants to be on the defense. He's got the points. He's got the lead. And that's a ploy adapted by so many grapplers. And the right move as well. The move now has to be made by Satyavrat.
Look at the languidness that he's showing. The left hand just hanging loosely by his side. He's not even engaging in a grapple hold against Satyavrat. Now getting involved. He's just waiting for time to just trickle away.
But Raman, this was always going to be a tough bout for the Delhi Sultans, isn't it? I just seen the experience of Elizabeth, the way he's handled, the way he's shaped up in the first tie as well. This is always going to be tough for them.
Oh yes, Elizabeth, remember, was at the Rio Olympics as well. Now he goes for a single leg hold. Kadian gets out of it, but he's running the risk of being pushed out of the safety zone. Comes right back. There was a good recovery from Satyavrat. Interesting to see if he can take a point off Elizabeth now.
I think it's all over. Yes, it's all over. And Elizabeth has started off with a bang. Jaipur Ninjas, remember they won their first tie as well. And they have started in great fashion, winning this bout handsomely. Comprehensive win for the captain Elizabeth. And that's exactly the start they wanted. Sakshi not looking very pleased. She's got to come on. The captain of Delhi Sultans.
She'll have to wait for a while because her bout is the 6th bout of the day. Let's take a look at the result of the opening bout. 8-0 in favor of the captain of Jaipur Ninjas, Elizabeth Odekadze. Won it comfortably on points difference. Now let's take a look at see what happened in this bout. This was right at the start of the second round. And this is where Elizabeth came back very quickly, got 2 points for that, then flipped Satyavrat Kadian over 3 times